And this is why we don't use drugs. Today I'm with the Cleb.
Man, what's up? How you doing?
You know, Top Gun's making a comeback.
I'm too young for that.
You don't know what Top Gun is?
Oh, stop it. Stop making fun of me.
Cleb, you know where we're going to today?
Tom A's Grill and Bar.
So we're going to Tom's Farm. Have you ever been to Tom's Farm?
Well, I actually was a farmer for him back in the day, so yeah.
Should be interesting, should be fun, and they're known for their world-famous burgers.
And octopus tacos.
What a way to start the day off. Right behind the Prius. Get out of here. Tom's Farm. Man, I've been wanting to go to this place for a long time. Danny's been talking about it. Two Brothers Racing Danny. He's been trying to get me to go to Tom's Farm for a long time. Unfortunately, he's out of town this weekend, so he's not coming with us. I'm sure that's probably going to bum him out. Sorry, Danny. Sorry. Sorry, Danny. Guys, I'm so sore. For those of you guys that have been watching my second channel, dude, you know why. That dirt bike's putting the beating on me. I haven't had one painless morning since I got that dirt bike. Lunatic, lunatic. Lunatic parade. Lunatic, lunatic. Lunatic parade. I'm so sore I can't even wheelie. I want to wheelie right now, but I can't. I don't think I could hold on to the bike. What's up, man?
What are you guys doing?
We're gonna go to Tom's Farm.
You guys mind if I tag along or no?
Yeah, you can come. I don't care.
Hey. Well, yeah, I spotted you guys. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What are you guys up to today?
We're gonna go to Tom's Farm. You ever been to Tom's Farm? Neither have we. All right, so we got some friends. This is Chase. The guy behind me, I don't know. I didn't meet him yet. Shook his hand, but I don't think he told me his name. All right, they're gonna come with us. Seems like they're pretty cool. Okay, you're not gonna win. He won.
One more time, all right?
All right. Okay, I lied. Little wheelie. Ortega Highway. This is one scary road. It really is. Said much this whole entire video. I don't even know if I have a video today. It's gonna be a short one, I think. Where's your buddy?
I don't know.
And this is why we don't use drugs. Well, we're waiting for our buddy. Talk a little bit about Tom's Farm and why we're going. Tom's Farm was founded in 1971 by Tom Barnes. Tom's Farm is 45 acres, designed like a country village. On those 45 acres, you'll find a furniture store, a market, candy store, 2 restaurants, and an amusement park. Unfortunately, Tom died in 2001, and now the farm is up for sale. Apparently, they're famous for their burgers. I've had a lot of burgers on this channel, so what's one more, right?
It's hot, dude. It's burning hot. Whoa.
That's a lot of water for 30 cents.
Oh, it's going up my nose, dude. The best 30 cents ever, man.
For 30
Come on down, Lake Elsinore. You got the glacier machine after a nice hot ride.
Nothing?
No, I'm gonna go look for him.
Yeah, go find your buddy and then come on out, man. What is this guy doing? Why is he staring at me? World famous burgers. You know how many times I heard that? Come on, Tom, where's the farm? Whoa, some shit's happening. Oh my God, a chair. Oh shit. This dude lost a chair, man. This guy done screwed up, son. Oh, there it is. Tom's Farms. More than one. All right, good job, Tom. I think this is it. Tom's Farm, what'd you think?
Soda was great. I'll be back in 2 hours.
What'd you get? You get a burger, right? You got the Tom Farm burger.
What's your burger?
It was good. I got the same thing, except I added bacon.
I didn't want to get the bacon because I wasn't feeling Muslim today.
They got beer, they got bands, they got shit going on. They even got a choo-choo train. We should have rode the choo-choo train.
I love choo-choo trains.
Next time. Next time. We'll be back in 2 hours. All right, Chase, I'm glad you made it back. Did you figure out where your friend went?
He just left.
He left. Just turned around and went home?
Yeah, yes.
Well, I hope he's all right. Now, Chase, you said you have a YouTube channel? What is it?
Snowy R6.
Snowy R6?
Yeah.
I mean, you live in California, dude.
Yes.
There's no snow anywhere around
I'm
here.
from Montana. Warthog State. I've been there 3 times.
And with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Make sure you check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Big shout out to all the Patreons. Without you guys, wouldn't be nearly as fun. Also, the channel sponsors, Chaparral Motorsports, the law offices of Henry Haddad, and Voss Helmets. If you haven't yet, check out my second channel, Extra Delinquent. Watch me eat shit a bunch of times on the dirt bike. And with that, I'll catch you guys later.